Addiction carries a heavy stigma and is often seen as a moral failing. This judgment can make recovery feel like an uphill battle, plagued with struggles of shame and guilt. But you can break free from these burdens. Understanding shame and guilt is key. With guilt, you might feel guilty for lying, neglecting responsibilities, or causing emotional pain. Shame, however, is more destructive. You might think, "I am a failure," or "I don't deserve happiness." This can lead to low self-esteem and isolation, making it harder to seek help. But remember, your past actions don't define you. Here's how you can overcome these feelings. Learn to forgive yourself. Understand that everyone makes mistakes. Reflect on your actions with compassion. Write a letter to yourself acknowledging your mistakes and your worth. Forgiving yourself is crucial for moving forward. Find a therapist who can help you understand and manage these emotions, offering a safe space to explore their roots and develop healthy coping strategies. Engage in self-care. Identify activities that bring peace, like mindfulness, exercise, or hobbies. These practices remind you of your worth and help combat shame. Rebuild relationships. Addiction can strain relationships. Make efforts to repair them by communicating openly and showing your commitment to change. Educate yourself and others. Understand that addiction is a complex issue, not a moral failing. This knowledge can foster empathy and reduce stigma. Seek support from peers. Connect with others who have faced similar struggles. They can offer valuable advice and support without judgment. Addiction affects millions and can happen to anyone. It doesn't make you a bad person. At More Than Rehab, we're here to assist you on your journey to recovery. Give us a call today. We're available 24/7, 365 days a year.